nang tapat suki ngan kroi yapi ngan kumbit yapi da
Bye, bye.
ikali ngatip bapi de tip direka urway. This is a beautiful place in Meghalaya.
This is a beautiful place in Meghalaya. Kerang Suri.
And if you see anywhere any there in here, it's so cleanliness.
Kejingkot yang ni ka senang boy de klam.
This
Ini
place
guna
has
ko
no
one
one.
jenis Kerang Suri. Sanpat ka by ticket, sanpat ka life jacket. Arspa by Chongling.
Aspa.
By Chongling.
If you want to picnic here also, it is here.
Lele ko abon piknik wan ni hajung lom yo pibu. Cijah jurak sujak pliang pi.